Hello, this is an AtlasHR onboarding tutorial video that will cover enrolling in benefits as a new hire. So when you get to the benefit enrollment step on your onboarding checklist, you'll see the link here, start your benefit enrollment process. You'll click that and you'll see a box that says new employee enrollment. So you want to click start, or if you have already started, you'll click continue. And what you'll see first is a set of instructions that has been put in here by your employer if there's anything they want you to know about the plans that are being offered or what you need to consider as you go through them. And then down on the left hand side you'll see the different plans that you'll be able to pick from. So first we'll click medical. So this will give us all of the medical plan options that we have. So if I want to waive medical, I can just click waive all medical and then let the system know why. Otherwise, I can uncheck that box and I can say, I can check one of these plans here and then the coverage level I want. And then I can save and select. If I wanted to compare some details of each plan, I can click compare plans. Say I want to compare the employee only of Aetna and employee only of this Horizon Blue Cross Blue Shield. And I want to see probably the employee contribution and maybe some of the plan details here. I'll just select a few and I'll click next, and then it's going to show me the employee contribution, emergency room visit costs, and primary office visit costs for each of these plans. So depending on how much information your employer has dropped into these plans, you'll be able to do some comparisons while you're enrolling. So we'll click OK. So I'm going to go stick with the Aetna employee only plan, and I will now click continue. Now I'll move to the dental. So the dental is just the same thing. I can waive the dental by clicking the box here, or I can select coverage that I want, and I'll select employee only. And keep in mind with each of these, you can expand down some details, and sometimes your employer has provided details. So if I go back to the medical on the Aetna plan, I can see the employer has provided a plan document, the Aetna website, as well as some of the other information about the plan. So we'll skip forward to life. So unlike the medical and dental plans, this is a plan that involves a calculation of coverage. So if I'm going to enroll in the life, I'm going to click voluntary life, and then I have to select, I'm going to select the unit-based life option, but it's going to ask me how much life insurance coverage I want. So the instructions here say 100 or less are guaranteed, but it is possible to request more. If evidence of insurability is provided, please select a value between 50 and 100. So these units are units of 1,000. So if I have 100 here, that is $100,000 of coverage. So your employer's plans may vary. This is just one example of how life insurance could be calculated. The important thing to know is that you need to read the details of what is being offered and what these units mean, because your units could be in just a dollar amount. Then you also need to select the beneficiary or beneficiaries of your life plan. So you can add a new one, or you can select from existing account contacts that you have. So if you have your children or spouse set up as account contacts already as dependents or emergency contacts, you can add in them as a beneficiary here. So I'm going to go ahead and select spouse, and then I'll say she's the 100% beneficiary, and click save, and click save and select. And then I am done enrolling in my life insurance, and it shows me my coverage amount, it shows me my employee payroll deduction. Then I click continue. And then once I'm at the end of my enrollment, I can download a PDF here. So it says download PDF. And I can download this PDF, which will give me a preview of everything I just enrolled in. So you can save this, download and save this for your own records if you want to. And down at the bottom, you'll scroll down and click submit. And then you'll put in your password. So this is essentially digitally signing your enrollment form here. Then I click accept. And then it's done. And now I can see that my new employee enrollment is 100% complete, and I can click back. If I have any steps remaining to complete on my checklist, I can do so now. And that concludes our benefit enrollment tutorial.